guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Maria and I'm the girl behind the blog Sweet Life Housewife. Today I'm going to be doing a review of appearance, comfort, etc. with the Christian Louboutins that I just recently purchased. We are lucky enough to have a store here in Atlanta, so I did go in store and I tried on a couple of different styles, which I'll talk about in addition to those things. So I did not have to order these. I actually got them at the store in Atlanta. They wrapped them up really nice for me. And this here is the receipt. And so I don't need that. There is a note in here that says try them on carpet or they might not be suitable for return, because if they can't resell them, they probably don't want them back. But I already tried them on, and I tried on some of the other styles, and I'll tell you why I ultimately chose these. This is not so easy to get off. Okay. Woohoo! So, da-da-da-da. That's the dust bag. Not too groundbreaking, but they have this little sort of dust bag, and I think there are heels in here. I'm just going to double check. Yeah, they give you 2 replacement heels, so if you wear, whoops, where are we? If you wear yours out, you have a replacement heel, and one for each shoe, conveniently enough, so that's good. And then this is just the regular dust bag. They only give 1. I know Chanel usually gives 2 dust bags, but Valentino didn't, and neither did Louboutin, at least for me. Okay, and here they are. Oh my god, they're so beautiful. They're gorgeous. So I guess they put everything back in line. Okay, I can't wait to try these on for you guys. My perfect red soles, they'll never see this, they'll never look like this again, but I'm really excited to get some wear in these and some different outfits that I can wear with them, even with jeans. That's why I liked these, because you could actually even wear these with jeans too. So obviously, appearance-wise, these are absolutely gorgeous. I love the really thin heel. They have some different styles that have a little bit of a chunkier heel. Not chunky, but chunkier than this. And this comes down to really skinny. And this is the 120 millimeters, or mm's, whatever. They don't feel that high because this part here has a platform built in, so it doesn't feel like you're up as high as that. They have another pair with the same like peep toe, same exact shoe, except this part is filled in instead of a sling back. It's just like a complete back to the shoe, and I really liked those, but they felt really claustrophobic to me, and so I didn't think that I would want to wear them for too long. So I opted for the sling back because it felt a little more breathable, which is important to me, and it also felt like I had some wiggle room. I didn't feel like I was shoved into the shoe. I know you can get a bigger size, but then it could slip in the back. I have a couple of pairs that I'm already dealing with that problem. So I wanted to make double sure that they fit and that I liked this style better than the other. So when I tried them on, this one just felt more comfortable to me, and I think it's because of the sling back. It's not just as restricted in there. I love the peep toe, and there is definitely toe cleavage in these shoes. So I think without further ado, I'm going to move on. I don't know how long I can stand in them, but I don't really think of these as a walking around shoe per se. Like, I'll probably wear these to dinner. I might, wear them to a party. So I'm not going to be like, doing anything where I can't wear these, because like I said, that platform does actually help the comfort level as well. You can, use those little water wipes on these to keep them clean and, shiny looking. The patent is really pretty wearable, and as you wear it, it will form to your foot a little bit better, be a little bit more comfortable as you wear it. They really warned against getting too big of a size, because they will, kind of mold to your foot a little bit better. So I'm really excited to start molding these to my feet. What I wanted to point out is that as the soles wear out, the red lacquer does come off, and it'll just be like tan, like a regular shoe leather underneath it. So once that starts to happen, you have actually there's two choices. You could either do it from the beginning, but I kind of want to just get a little wear on mine before I have them resold because it doesn't make too much sense to me. And once they do it, they have the red color, so it still, you know, will look like this. It just won't be the original. And it won't be lacquer. It'll be like more of a rubber plastic kind of a thing. But I just wanted to point that out because they don't give you anything to, you know, keep this like this. It's going to change, and you just have to know that going in. So I went into the Christian Louboutin store over in Buckhead, and it was my first time in there. I had never been in a Christian Louboutin store before. So I went to lunch with a friend, and then we walked over, and I kind of opened the door. It says pull, and so I open it. It's not opening. She tries the other one. It's not working. So we're like, this is tricky. So then they actually wound up having a bell that you have to ring in order to get in, which I had not seen that before, and I've lived in Beverly Hills and shopped in Beverly Hills on Rodeo Drive for many years, and so I thought that was kind of interesting, just as a side note. But if you do have the opportunity, and you're not, whether you're in the market or not, I would definitely recommend going in and trying them on before you actually order them. If you are vacationing somewhere where you see one or something like that, I would definitely go into the boutique and try them on first so you know what size you are. As far as the size goes, but there's two reasons. The sizing, and also it's gorgeous. It's like an art gallery. They really are works of art. I've heard people talk about how they're not comfortable, and he doesn't care that they're not comfortable, and I don't know if that's true or not, but he makes them to be beautiful, and they really, really are. I can see why people have closets full of them, because it's so nice to look at them when you walk into your closet. So anyway, it's gorgeous, and you will definitely have it's an experience to actually shop in there. So I would take that chance if you get it, even if it's just window shopping for a future purpose or something. But the most important reason, other than aesthetics, is that the sizing. Usually I'm a 6.5, and when in the Valentino sandals I was 6.5, which is a 36.5, but in the Rockstud pumps, I am a 37, and with these peep toe, I think these are called the Private. I'm also a 37. So I tried. I'm a 6.5, but these were a 37. I tried the 37.5, and it was too big. So I'm definitely a 37. You know, these just fit me perfectly. So just wanted to let you know that I did go up a half size in order to have these fit me, and I would recommend trying them on for sure because they can be, it's such a snug fit that you want a snug fit but not too tight, and so being able to try on knowing what's too loose and what's too tight and getting the one that's just perfect is important so you can actually wear these. Is price. They are a designer shoe, and typically, like all of the designer shoes, they are very expensive. I probably will this will probably be my only pair of Louboutins because I do still have some other bucket list designer shoes that I want to get first before I work to expand beyond that. So these are the Louboutins, the one and only for now. They have some really, really cute wedge sandals though that I could see myself getting after I get all of my bucket list shoes. I had these Rockstud sandals were one. These Louboutins were two. I also want the Rockstud pumps and some Stuart Weitzman boots, the over-the-knee boots. So those are on my list of things to acquire. But anyway, these I would get more, and I especially would encourage you to look at the wedge shoes. The wedges do have the red bottom also. They're obviously not as sexy looking, but they look very comfortable, and they are very pretty. Also works of art, definitely. Nothing lost on the sandal styles that are wedges, and they're also very tall too. So look at those. The other thing I wanted to say is that these, as far as how to wear them, obviously little black dress, but you wear them with a lot of different styles of dresses and skirts and stuff. But these also you can wear with jeans. These will elevate any look, like bam. So don't hesitate to wear these with jeans too. Maintenance a little bit, and basically those water wipes, you can wipe these down with. I have them right here, and they're basically just water. And so that's what I'm going to do to just keep these looking fresh. And you know, keep them so they're not, you know, getting dirty inside or anything, because they do have a peep toe. There's a chance of getting, you know, some, you know, just dirt depending on where you're walking or whatever. But and they do have the dust bag. You can see the shelves are like, I have the shelves that cover, so I'm not going to use the dust bag unless I notice that they start getting too dusty. Then I would keep them in the dust bag because that's what it's for. um, but I think that as long as, you know, you're kind of using them and you have them kind of in a shelving system, like, or, you know, some kind of cover, depending on how you store your shoes, that you could probably leave them out of the dust bag. But definitely, you know, when you travel, you want to use your dust bag and stuff to keep them protected from any like zippers and stuff like that, so that they don't get any marks on them, because they're pretty easy to clean other than like if you scratch them with something like metal or something like that. So definitely use it in your suitcase. Okay, guys, so please comment with which designer shoe is on your next purchase or bucket list. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks so much for watching. I really appreciate you guys. Bye!